What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Compound today. COMP, comp. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. It's been a while. It's been a while since we talked about Compound, but to be fair, it's been pretty damn boring for a while. I think the last time we talked about it, in fact, was back here whenever there's a little bit of excitement, and before that, probably even back here, right? Preemptively this time, before we're really breaking out, I think that we should talk about it because things are pretty exciting right now. We've got a lot of volume coming in, you guys. Compound, if we're looking at it here, comp on coin market cap. Come on now. We've got about $80 million in volume on a $515 million asset. And I know it's been a sleeper, but man, we are in the cycle where financial institutions are getting involved, right? This is the institutional cycle. And I just can't help but address that this looks like a massive accumulation pattern. There's been a lot of volume. There's been volume spikes at key areas periodically throughout this whole entire accumulative phase. And we're getting a massive one right now. I think that there's been a lot of buying happening. I think that there are institutional players that have interest in this thing. And if I'm right, if we're validated, what's going to happen here is something that's rather miraculous, okay? From a high to a low, my expectations would be that we rip all the way up, you guys, all the way to about $420 or higher. If not there, then $600. And here's the real kicker, okay? Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. This is not a promise. But the real kicker is we could see something more than that. With this massive phase of accumulation, you guys, the sky's the limit. We have a low enough market cap where a 10x yes is $5 billion. What if you do a 20x and you go to $10 billion? And that's a nice psychological level of resistance there. And that might sound like a lot, and it is. Don't get me wrong, it is. But this thing has the capability. And with that amount of accumulation, you guys, there's always coins that are sleepers that do some kind of crazy, crazy movements. Now, the only thing is, if we were to see a 20x move, in my opinion, it would be a little strange that we stop just above this all-time high. It would be more likely that we'd go all the way up to the 1272, which is about a 43x move from here. I think Compound's a low market cap coin. It has the capability of massive movements in a short amount of time, but a 40x move for a $500 million market cap, $20 billion overnight, I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know how high it's going to go, but I'm just talking about possibilities here. I mean, inevitably, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but by the end of the cycle, I really do see this thing being worth $2,400, if not $4,000, right? Maybe even more than that. We could be at $5,000 more. I don't know if we hit 8,200. A 100x from here, a 100x from the current market cap would put us at a $51 billion market cap, plus 50. I mean, that'd be like a $75, $80 billion market cap all the way up at 8,000. I don't know if we see that personally, but I do believe that we could see at one point that we were actually thinking that we could get up there, but Compound, it has been a sleeper. I mean, depending on how robust this move is, I'll tell you what, guys, if we move all the way up to 2,400 by the end of August, then okay, well, maybe we do go to 8,000. But the expectation here would be that we'd probably do at least go to $420 by the end of August. That's about a 7.5x move. If not, my maximum expectation would be like 610. That's about a 10 to 11x move there. So still incredible growth. Still a lot of growth to come. Time will tell. We'll see how it goes. But just wanted to talk about it now because it's looking like it's gearing up for some big stuff. And it is alt season, you guys. We're like right in the very beginnings of alt season. And you have this, I wouldn't call it a W, right? But you just have this kind of double bottom soft curve with a peak in the middle. It looks like a W, but it's not. W would have to come up from above, right? I don't know what to call it, but it's not a W. But once we get above about, I would say that is $141, and once we get above there, of course, we'll be pumping. But I think, you guys, once we get back above $100, it's lights out. This thing's going all the way up. It's going to be fantastic, absolutely. If we're looking at this here on the daily time frame, maybe even on the 1 hour time frame, let's look at it on the 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. We're at a place where we kind of found resistance before. Not a lot of volume coming in here on this 1 hour. We probably consolidate a little bit. Bearish divergence, we probably consolidate a little bit, but don't be surprised if we keep moving up. A lot of these coins that I'm calling for consolidations, they're just moving up still. Speaking of which, is Onyx coin moving up? Let's see. XCM, let's go. No, it's up a little bit, but not much. Cookie moved up a little bit since my most recent video. But here, looking at the 4-hour time frame, MACD looks good, stochastics are good, RSI is good, but you're all at places where if you were to chill and come back, that could happen, and it's fine if you do. I wouldn't be too surprised if that did happen. Lower levels of volume as you're coming up here. What I would think happens, you're at $55 now. I would think you come back to 51, keep up this higher low trend, keep that flat top there, and then you'll have some kind of ascending triangle to break out of. That'll send you up to prices that are above 60, above 70, and on your way to $100 and beyond. I think that's what's coming your way. I don't really have anything else that I want to say. I think I've said everything that I need to say. $55 now will probably go down to $51 or somewhere around there, maybe just above, just below. And then going into next week and the weeks after and into August, we should see a massive, absolutely absurd move to the upside. Something that will make all the waiting, all the accumulating worth it. What's Compound's APR? What are they? Let's see. Compound Crypto APR or APY. I don't know. Let's see. No. Let's see. Let's ask Grok. Let's ask Super Grok. I love like Disney Plus, Hulu Plus, or Hulu Premium, whatever. Right? You got the whatever pluses. You got Super Grok. You got not that it's anything like those. I just the names that people come up with whenever they're updating things, or ESPN Plus. We got Grok Plus here, but it's Super Grok. Let's see if it would load. Maybe I have to turn on the performance. We're going to up the performance a little bit. The performance. Here we go. Help it load. Oh, come on. We were just there. What is Compound's APR, APY for staking? Let's see here. Bitcoin moving up a little bit, looking like it wants to. Been very shaky up here, but and volume's dying off. But you're consolidating. Volume's dying off. You're consolidating. You might break out higher. I think we really could go all the way up to 93, 9600, somewhere in there. Or sorry, 119.3, 119.6, 96. What year is that, man? That was like 2017, 2019. Grok. Platform market conditions. No way. Wait, lending rate. That's not APR. Yeah, not traditional. Okay. That's crazy though. Staking APRs range from, wow, is that true? That's crazy. I didn't know that. No way. Okay, so this is wrong. I don't know if I trust any of that. It's too all over the place. I don't know if I trust any of that. So so that's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, I got nothing else for you. That didn't help out at all. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Hold Compound. Wait for it. It's going to come up in just a matter of no time at all. All right. Bye-bye.